In this video, I'll show you how to add tags to contacts in system.io. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your audience, segment your list, and run targeted campaigns. First, log into your system.io dashboard and go to the Contacts tab. From here, pick the contact you want to manage and click on their name. You'll see an option to add tags directly to their profile. Just type in the tag you want, like lead, customer, or VIP. You can create a brand new tag on the spot or use an existing one if you set them up earlier. Once saved, the tag will show up under that contact's details, so you can filter and organize later. But you don't have to stop there. Tags can also be applied automatically. Inside your funnels or email campaigns, you can create automation rules that assign tags when certain actions happen. For example, when someone signs up to a form, buys a product, or clicks a specific link in an email, System.io can instantly add the right tag for you. This saves time and makes your marketing much more targeted. That's how you add and manage tags for contacts in System.io. Subscribe